Well, happy Sunday, everybody. Here we are. We made a little road trip over to Orlando, and we're going to run into IKEA real quick just to get a couple little things. Kind of a pit stop because we decided to drive over to Cape Canaveral today, Port Canaveral, to see if we could see a couple of cruise ships. So we're just going to run in here real quick and see if we can find, I think, a little cutting board.
Yeah.
And just a couple little things. We like IKEA.
Yeah, and coasters for cups.
Mm-hmm. What's that? Yeah, so things don't spatter all over in the microwave.
Yeah, spatter all over the place. But it works.
Yeah.
Probably will work. So
For $1.99.
Give it a try. A lot of kitchen stuff.
A lot of kitchen stuff. We'll have to look around here a little bit. Overwhelming. Okay, Ron, which one was it we decided on?
Oh. Decided on this one.
Yeah. We think it might work over the sink.
Yeah.
So
Give
we're
it a
gonna
try.
give it a try. So we just made it through the checkout. But I should have allowed more time for IKEA. It's not a place you can just run in and run out. There's so much to see, even if you're just looking. So, but we did get our cutting board. We got a few extra things. And now we're off to Cape Canaveral before it's too late. I think we're gonna have to rush. By the way, these bags are amazing. I got a couple of cheap mixing bowls, which I didn't have. I got rid of my other ones in Minnesota. A little bathroom mat for our tiny toilet room. The cutting board. And a wooden spoon. That artificial plant with a little thing to put it in. And Ron's coasters. So yeah, we made out okay. Wow. We got a gold mine. 3 cruise ships, it looks like. Seaside Discovery. And there's another one. Drinks.
Oh, okay.
And that beautiful water. Yeah, Seaside Discovery. So we've got a few here. Just have to see if we can figure out what time they're leaving. Royal Caribbean.
Yep. Still gotta go on that one.
So we're here at the boat landing, which is a huge boat landing, next to Jetty Park. And here they don't charge for parking. Technically, you're supposed to have a boat if you want to use this area, but we're not going to be here that long. Because it was $15 to get in to park at Jetty Park, so we're going to walk down here and see if we can see the cruise ships leaving. At least a couple.
Good, right on top of that pole.
That's cool, huh? There, I think I got him.
There he is. Somebody's in there right now.
But those seagulls love the fish, don't they?
They do.
The fish guts.
Hey, Snuggus likes. Oh, by the way, Snuggus likes to chase the lizards.
Does he? Oh,
Yeah.
he saw the lizards?
Yeah.
Look at all the people waving.
I know. Looks fun.
Looks like a nice ship, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it is.
I like how they have that hot tub off the side up there. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that. There must be some kind of stands here. Two more over there.
Yeah.
People up top got some really nice steak. Third class.
Matt's flag go down there.
Oh, wow. Looks like fun.
Yeah.
All right, so here we are, still in Port Canaveral. We're parked by Jetty Park in the area where the boat landing is, right next to Terminal 3, where the Carnival Mardi Gras usually takes off and departs, but it's not here today. But we did get to see the Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas. So that was really fun.
Yeah, that's big.
It's a huge ship. We were shocked at how big it was. And so that was really fun. And we were hoping to see another ship, but unfortunately it didn't leave on time. It was the MSC, I think, Escape.
Yeah.
So we waited and we waited, but we got to talk to a bunch of people and watch some fishermen fish and just some of the wildlife there. Some of the seagulls really were enjoying the leftovers from the fish, so that was fun to see.
Yep. And then sea turtles were there too.
Yeah, the sea turtles. So we had a good time and got to see the one ship, which kind of gave us the itch again.
Yeah.
So I am going to be starting to look for cruises here coming up towards January. We're thinking January or maybe February. We'd like to take another cruise.
Find some good deals.
So I'm going to be looking into that, and we'll let you know once we find something and pick and have that on our agenda. But yeah, we had a good time. So we're going to head back home and see the kitties. But it was a nice outing today, and we're really wanting to come here and camp.
Yeah, we'll have to camp here. It's a nice campground. Right
Jetty
here.
Park has a really nice campground. Right, some spots are right on the water. And then here too, they have like back in, it's all fenced in, so we can't get back in there right now. But it's, you know, bigger RVs and stuff back there. So we're thinking we may come here camping soon. And then we could also watch some cruise ships depart. So anyway, this was a fun outing. We had our IKEA visit and now watching the cruise ships leave. Cruise ship, not plural. But so we're going to go home, and I hope you're having a good Sunday, and God bless. Bye-bye. And we're making a quick stop at the beach because why not? Well, look what we ended up seeing after all. We didn't know if it was going to leave, but we got to see it. Not real up close, but hey, there it is. So it's the MSC Seaside. It's a pretty ship. So we got to see 2 ships after all. Yay! Now we really have the cruise itch going.
Yeah.
There it is.